Okay, so in this video we're going to go over what you should do if your microphone isn't working and you're using a Windows computer. So the first thing you want to make sure of is that you're using Google Chrome. And that's what we recommend with Kara. And once you're in Chrome, if you go up here into this corner and press on the lock next to the address bar, you want to make sure that your microphone is set to allow there. So not on block, but allow. Just there. Yes, it'll ask you to reload the page, so that's what you want to do there. And if the if the microphone is still not working after you've done that, then you want to go down here into the bottom left into the settings. So you press these three dots and then you press settings, and then you can choose here which microphone you're using, and you can see on the right here that mine is definitely working. But you can also choose different ones. There you are, and you want to make sure that you're doing the right one. If you've selected the correct one and it's still not working, then you want to go into your computer settings. So if you press the Windows bar here and then the settings, that'll open up your settings there, and then you want to click on privacy and microphone there on the left. There's three things you want to make sure of here. Firstly, that your microphone access for the device is on. That just means you've connected your microphone, and you can change that there with the toggle. So you want to make sure this is on. You want to make sure you're allowing apps to access your microphone, so this should also be on. And then if you scroll down as well, you want to make sure desktop apps are also allowed to use your microphone. So once you've made sure all of these three things are on, then you want to go back into your browser, into your session, and do a hard refresh. And that's done by using Control and F5. So that's there, and that'll clear your cache and cookies and refresh your browser. If that still doesn't work, then you want to make sure you have an up-to-date Chrome browser. And that's done by going into the Chrome settings. That's up here on the right, and then you click on Settings just there. That'll open up the settings in a new tab for you, and if you go to About Chrome to the left there, it'll check for updates, and if it's not up to date, then there'll come a button here that you can click on to update your browser. There could be other things that are causing problems, so it could be to do with your external microphone, it could be internet related. There's a variety of different issues that could be causing it, so if you've gone through these solutions and they haven't worked, then you want to talk to us in the little blue chat bar here. There we will be. And we can help you find the root of the problem there.